Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office document, how to remove section break. So I will active for the paragraph mark, you can click this icon and then I will set view into 2 page. Now if you press enter and then we can insert the section break, you can click insert, click on blank page. So we have the section break. I will create again in another page. You can click blank page. If you want to delete this section break, you can click at this point, example, move to the bottom, and then you can press delete button to delete the section break. I will click again at this point, move again to the bottom, and then you can press delete button to delete the section break. Okay, to insert, you can click blank page. Then to delete, you can press delete button. I will click again at this point, and then you can press delete button to delete the section. Okay, that's it for a basic WPS Office document, how to remove section break. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.